Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make roasted beef. Welcome to Olayemi cooking channel. For returning viewer and new subscribers, thanks so much for your support. I'm going to be using seasoning to make this roasted beef. This beef is very delicious and it's very easy to make with simple ingredients. So I'll also be using nutmeg. I'm using half teaspoon of nutmeg. Also, these are all the ingredients. Thyme, 1 teaspoon of thyme. Then I'll be using pepper soup spice. This ingredients is very delicious and is very unique with this roasted meat. This is a barbecue meat and is a delicious recipe. So I'll also be using 1/4 teaspoon of chili pepper, then 1 teaspoon of salt. I thought just let it suit your taste. Then I'll also be using lime juice, so 1 teaspoon. So that is optional. So this is my fresh beef I'm going to be using. So let's start making our roasted beef. You can as well call this suya, but it's a little bit different from suya and it tastes really unique and very delicious. This is how to make Nigerian suya, but the ingredients are a little bit different. So you're highly welcome back to my channel. I'm Olayemi and I love cooking delicious and simple ingredients. So I'll start adding my seasoning, then I'll go ahead and add my spice, my herbs, everything on this beef. Then we'll start preparing it. Do not forget to hit the like button. If for new viewers, thanks so much, and please consider subscribing to our channel to get more updates of our new videos every time I upload new videos. So I just start my time, then I'm going to go ahead and put this in, just rub it so the meat will be seasoning, properly seasoning. This is a very delicious roasted beef and it's a very delicious suya, if you want to call it suya as well. So I just transfer everything to a bowl because I want this thing to be well seasoned, so I'm going to mix it with my hand. So I like mixing this with my hand and I want it to be well seasoned and very tasty. So I'm done with this, so I'm going to add my lime juice, then I'm going to add my chili pepper as well. So then we mix everything, we'll transfer this in the refrigerator for an hour before we start making this roasted beef. Please remember to like this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Anyway you're watching this, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel to encourage us to share more of this recipe. So I'll just add my chili pepper, 1/4 spoon of chili pepper, then just mix it on the everything as well. You can increase the chili pepper if you want it to be spicy. So this is the quantity of chili pepper I want for this roasted beef. So we are done with that. This is after an hour in the refrigerator, so I'll just put it in the tray. Then we are ready to bake. I already preheated my oven, so I'll just transfer this to the old oven. But before that, I'm just going to give it some little vegetables. I'll just add onions, the fresh onions to give it a fine taste, and fresh tomatoes to make it more juicy. So this is it. I'm going to transfer it to the oven. The oven has already been preheated, so we are going to roast this for 15 minutes. Then we'll come back to it. And if you want this to be more cooked, you can cook it for an hour 45 minutes. So our beef is ready. I'm going to put it in a plate. It's time for us to serve it. Thanks so much for watching this roasted beef. Please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you get updated of my new and amazing recipes. So I'm just going to give you some touch of onions, cucumber. You can as well add fresh tomatoes to this. You can add more of vegetables to enjoy this your roasted beef. But this is how I really love it. You can as well add some soya spice at this time and enjoy your roasted beef. This is very delicious and it's very easy to make for your family, and it's a perfect snacks for any time and it's very refreshing and it's very delicious. Thanks so much for watching this my roasted beef. Hope to see you all in my next video. Be safe.